Students, our next session is using offline blog editors. If you do not have an active internet connection, then you can create blogs using a blog application and publish the blog whenever internet connectivity is available. Means you can create the blogs offline, and after that you can publish that blog whenever the internet connection will be available. There are several free offline blog editors available that can be downloaded and installed on the local computers. Means you have to first download the offline blog and then you have to install it on your computer. Some of the examples of offline blog editors are Kumana, then Windows Live Writer, and third one is Blogdesk. Students, based upon this topic you have to write these two questions. Okay, now we will start the next session, that is online transactions. Online shopping is a form of electronic commerce where customers can buy or sell goods over the internet. Means with the help of electronic commerce or e-commerce, a customer can purchase or sell any product over the internet. Customers need to have an active internet connection for viewing goods or services offered by a seller. Means customers should have an active internet connection to see the different products and services given by the seller. Customers can pay online using a credit card, debit card, or by internet banking. Students, the question arises that why people prefer the online shopping. What is the purpose of online shopping? Then the online shopping could be useful in situations when the first situation is a customer does not have sufficient time to visit the stores. If a customer is busy with his own work and he don't have sufficient time, then he will prefer the online shopping. The second purpose is visiting a store is more expensive than purchasing a product online. Means you can save your money by purchasing a product online compared to visiting a store is more expensive. The third situation is a product or service that is not available in the local market is available online. Means if that product is not available in the nearby market, then people refer the online shopping. Some of the popular online transaction websites are, the first one is IRCTC, that is an online portal for booking flight and train tickets. Means you can book the tickets of train and flight with the help of this IRCTC website. The second one is Flipkart. It is an online shopping portal for buying consumer products. Means with the help of Flipkart you can buy different products online. eBay, that is an online portal for buying and selling the goods. Means you can buy and sell the goods with the help of this eBay website. Then next one is Redbus, that is an online portal for booking bus tickets. Means with the help of this website you can book the bus tickets online. To perform an online transaction, all you need is a web browser and an active internet connection. Okay, means you need a active internet connection and a web browser. Students, in some cases where purchasing is involved, you will need a valid credit card, debit card, or online banking support referred as net banking subscription. Means after purchasing a product, you may pay the bill with the help of credit card, debit card, or net banking. Some websites even allow COD, means cash on delivery, where the users can pay once they receive the product or service. Means whenever a customer get his product at his home, then at that time he may give that money to to that particular website. That is called as cash on delivery. The next is Flipkart. The Flipkart is an online store where you can purchase a variety of electronic goods, books, accessories, digital cameras, then mobile phones and peripherals such as printers. Means with the help of Flipkart you can buy variety of products just like books, accessories, then mobile phones, printers, digital camera, etc. The next one is IRCTC. Now what is the full form of IRCTC? It is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Okay. So it is an online portal that can be used for booking travel tickets. Means with the help of IRCTC we can book the travel tickets in advance. Now based upon today's topic, some assessment questions are given. Okay, you have to write these questions and answers in your notebook. Thank you.